In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can manage your employee population's vaccine management and access into the system. So starting from the dashboard, you can tap on the staff directory. You'll see that we have 3 staff members in our directory. Every person that you add into the staff directory gets their own dedicated secure control panel. So for this demo's purpose, I'm going to use the staff member named Rifi Sachdev. So I'm going to just copy her email address. You will need that for access. Let me log out of this application. I'm going to go into the employee login, and you can access this login area from the same area that the admin can log in. So I'm going to log in as Rifi Sachdev. Once you add your staff member into the system, they are automatically emailed and text messaged a temporary password, and then they can go in and they can change it to whatever password that they want. So once I log in into the employee dashboard, let me turn this off. You'll see that there is an option here for to upload your employee vaccination, and we'll start the process off. Have you taken the COVID vaccination? The answer is yes. I have taken the Moderna shot. How many shots have you taken? I am fully vaccinated with 2 shots. When was the first shot? It was June the 1st, and the second shot was on July the 14th. Press next. This is where the employee will now upload their vaccination card. This can be done on the desktop, and it can also be done on the mobile phone. So I'm on a desktop right now for this demo, so I'm going to upload a card that I have saved on my desktop. I'm going to press next. Once you go to the next screen, you are attesting that the documentation and the card that you are uploading is true and is not any sort of falsified documents. So you come in here, you select the date of when you actually were signing this. In this case here, you would sign it, accept the signature, tap on next, and here's a authorization that you are disclosing and releasing this card to us. One of the questions that we're going to ask you is the name of the provider where you got the vaccination at and the location. And then this area right here is really just dedicated if you're doing this as a parent on behalf of a guardian. So if you're not doing this on behalf of a guardian, you can skip this step. You can tap on next, and that concludes the process of uploading a vaccination from the employee side. So I'm going to log out from the employee dashboard. I'm going to return back to the administrator, and what we're going to see here is how you can manage and approve or reject any sort of vaccination cards from your employees. So going to the workforce module, you tap on the staff vaccine. You'll see that there's 2 employees that have pending uploads. You can quickly view the vaccination card. So this is the vaccination card that I just uploaded and the details from the questionnaire. If everything looks good to you, you can quickly approve. Once approved, the vaccination card is saved into the employee staff profile. If you go back into the staff directory and you click on Rifi Sachdev, there's a tab right here for vaccination, and you will see that her Moderna CDC card has been approved. What happens next is that Rifi's pass right here, which is this QR code, is immediately sent to her via text message, and she can now scan that pass at any kiosk to enter access. Once the scan has been completed, all sorts of different types of information and data has been tracked, and you can do all sorts of different types of things like the contact tracing to see who was in during that time and so forth. But that's how easy and simple it is to add an employee and have the employee upload their CDC vaccination card, and you have the option to reject or approve based on their access. Thank you.